Hello friends, myself Ankit Agarwal. Today I am showing you how to create a Gmail account. First of all, open gmail.co.in on your browser. Then click on create account. Click on for myself. Then enter your full name. First of all, your first name, then your last name, then your desired username. For email, then enter password. Then on confirm, rewrite the password. Then click on next. Enter your mobile number on which OTP will be received. Then click on next. The mobile number you have provided will get OTP. Enter the OTP received by you on your mobile number. Then click on verify. Then enter your date of birth. Then select gender and click next. Then click on skip. Accept all the terms and conditions by clicking on I agree button. You have successfully created your account.